little shark, swimming softly through the park. Swish your tail from side to side, come along and take a ride. Come on, everybody! Clap your fins and stomp your feet. Let's dance together to the underwater beat. 1, 2, 3, whee! Fantastic spinning, everyone! Keep smiling and let's dance again! Stretch your fins out wide and splash along with me. We're having so much fun in the sparkling sea.
Daddy Shark is strong and tall, helping every friend that's small.
Thank you, Daddy Shark.
1, 2, 3, march!
Swim, swim, splash away, dance with sharks all day today. Hop and wiggle, clap with joy, every girl and every boy. Baby turtle waves hello, little seahorse row and row. Crabby dances left and right, ocean friends are full of light. Starfish twinkle on the sand, holding everyone's small hand. Spin around and touch the ground, fun and laughter all around. Bubble, bubble, floating high, clouds are smiling in the sky. Jump up once, jump up twice. Hello, ocean friends! Come jump and dance with us! Wow! Dolphins can jump so high! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Wiggle, wiggle, celebrate!
Wiggle, clap, and celebrate! Hooray!
Swim, swim, splash away, and let's all dance and laugh today. Clap your hands and shout, hooray! Wave goodbye with a happy smile. See you soon in a little while. Thank you for dancing with us, friends. You made